Hi, Larry from Conger Construction. I want to show you a couple of cabinets we made this past week in our new shop. This cabinet's going to go in the garage. The bottom will stay open. The top will get a couple doors after we install it. We also made a long cabinet, almost 12 feet wide, going to go up against the ceiling. This also will get doors after we put it up. I think we're going to put some maple slab doors on it. Going to give the owner a lot of nice open storage. Also like to show you some of the garage shelving units we make. Everything we make is custom made. Whatever size shelves you want, we'll make them to order. If you want to put totes in them, small items, paint cans, whatever you want, we'll make it in our shop. Come and install them. Please remember us, Conger Construction. Give us a call, we'll give you a free estimate.